I tried Sovora vacuum cleaner review. App for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Sovora promises smart cleaning solutions with a connected app, but most people get this wrong. They assume app-controlled vacuums are complicated or ineffective. I tested the app and device daily to see if it delivers. On day 1, I explored the app. The surprising truth, it's intuitive, showing cleaning schedules, device status and mapping in a clean interface. Many assume smart vacuum apps are confusing, but Sovora keeps it simple. Day 2, I set up the vacuum. You won't believe how easy the pairing process was. A few taps connected the device and the app instantly. Most people get this wrong, thinking setup is technical or frustrating, but Sovora makes it seamless. Day 4, I scheduled cleaning sessions. The app allowed customized zones, daily or weekly schedules, and notifications when cleaning was done. Many assume smart vacuums require constant supervision, but this app lets you automate everything effortlessly. By day 6, I monitored cleaning performance. The vacuum mapped rooms accurately and cleaned efficiently, even reaching corners often missed by traditional devices. The app provided detailed reports, including battery status and filter maintenance alerts. On day 7, my final verdict: Sovora vacuum cleaner review app is easy to use, effective, and truly smart. The shocking truth? You can automate cleaning, monitor performance, and manage maintenance entirely from your phone without hassle. With intuitive controls, reliable mapping, and automated schedules, Sovora proves that smart home cleaning can be simple, efficient, and surprisingly satisfying.